I'm just going to jump right into this recipe, and at the end of this video, I'll tell you where to get your low sodium cheese. Today is Friday. Both of our daughters and their husbands come to supper every Friday. The roast is in the crock pot with onions and mushrooms and carrots. Whip up some potatoes, and we're going to have broccoli salad with it. If you subscribe to my channel every Friday, you'll get a new low sodium recipe, and occasionally when I think of things, you'll get a tip to keep that sodium low. We need dressing. The bowl has got half a cup of Knudsen's Hampshire sour cream, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You can use whatever you like. 3/4 teaspoon white granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons parsley flakes, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 3 tablespoons of oil, and I just like canola. I'm going to put my mixer on low just to mix this stuff up. Put all this stuff away, and we're going to mix up our broccoli salad. The dressing makes 10 tablespoons, and its total is 45 milligrams of sodium, 4.5 per tablespoon. I'm ready to roll. And I have a cheat sheet because I will forget to tell you something along the way. The broccoli is washed and dried, and I have florets. But you have to dry it really good because the water hides in there, and then when you put the dressing on, it's going to make it a little more watery than you want to. 4 cups of broccoli, chopped, weighs 200 grams. 200 grams has got 66 milligrams of sodium. The cheese is 1 ounce, finely grated. When I grate it, I move my grater around a little bit because when you buy grated cheese at your store, it's got a coating on it that stops it from clumping. When you grate it, sometimes you end up with more clumps than you want. 24 milligrams. 1 green onion, chopped. Okay, 4 milligrams. Pecans, chopped. No milligrams. I thought I had some craisins in there, but I used them up. So we're not going to put craisins in here, but our refrigerator has black seedless grapes with no sodium. 1 cup, cut in half. Half a cup of celery has 44 milligrams. Now, I'm going to just put a little bit of roasted sesame seeds in. They don't have any sodium. Just going to put a little bit of that in there. Mix all this stuff together. Put what dressing I need in here, and then we'll see how much we got. Are you ready for your grand total? We mix the dressing in, it kind of settles down a little bit. We ended up with 6 cups, but we only used about half of the dressing. Don't worry about that, because it is really good on a green salad or as a dip. You don't have to thin it down for a green salad. It will thicken in your refrigerator. Just put a little bit in there, mix it up, and it does a great job. There are a lot of things you can use in broccoli salad. I didn't have bell peppers. You can use green, orange, red, or yellow. The colored ones have 4 milligrams of sodium each, and they do look pretty. Put what nuts you like. Just read the labels, make sure they have no sodium.
I do like the flavor and the color that craisins add. I may have to get some tomorrow and add to the leftovers, because for me, this salad has to have them. They add color, and they add a great finishing flavor. I'll chop them up a little bit, stir in a handful or two. They have no sodium, and then my salad will be perfect. A lot of folks like to add the spiral tricolored pasta. I'm not a fan of that. If you are, cook some and add them. You've got plenty of dressing to do that. The 6 cups, because we used half of the dressing, is 163 milligrams. Each cup has 27.15. If we use store-bought cheddar at 170 per ounce, our total would be 309 or 51.5 per cup. It goes with so many dinners. This is broccoli salad the way the Crafts like it. You have a lot of variations of things to use to make it perfect for you. Let your taste buds be your guide. Put in the things your family likes. The end result is going to be really good. Now we can talk about where to get your low sodium cheese. I've included a link in the description of this video that takes you to the distributor and makes it easy for you to order. In their search bar, type unsalted cheese and you can see what it looks like. You can order it there. But if you have any questions or if you need more information, Monday through Friday from 8:30 until 4 o'clock Central Standard Time, you can call 877-383-0051. They will be able to answer your questions. If you think about it and you order, please tell them the Sodium Attacker sent you. They put a newsletter out once a month to all their customers. Ooh, and I'd like to be in that. I'd like to be able to find 1 or 2 people who really need help lowering their sodium. There are a few things that are important for you to know. There is a $75 minimum order, but it freezes so well. Don't let that stop you from having good cheddar cheese. They arrive ready to freeze in a great 10.5 ounce package. Just drop them in your freezer. When you thaw them out, the quality is not diminished. They ship any place in the continental United States and also into Canada. I am an affiliate of the distributor. I would never endorse a product that I have not thoroughly checked. And this one has definitely been thoroughly checked. Very high quality. Our family loves this cheese, and I'm certain that yours will too.